If you got that ring already and if you're ready to start planning, this is the right video for you. Set that budget. That's number one. Set the wedding date and time. Daydream about your wedding. What do you want? Where do you want it to be? Stay calm and hire an event planner. You want to have someone next to you that's going to assess you along the way. Ceremony and venue selection. Finalize your guest list. And once you have this, you can start sending your save the date cards. Wedding party selection with your groomie. Vendor selection. DJ, cake, flowers, decorations, caterer, dessert station. If you have a wedding planner, this is gonna be a piece of cake. I love this part. Dear bride, say yes to the dress. Here in Miami, there are tons of boutiques. Number 10, final meeting, samples, and your tasting meetings. So I really hope you enjoy the video. So hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.